Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with these beautiful pudding gels from Sundara. These are part of the Christmas collection, and this trio right here is called the Classic Christmas, and it is beautiful. So these trios contain 3 pudding gels. The first one here, it's a holographic chunky platinum glitter. It's super pretty. It's fine glitters mixed with chunky, and I really like that silver, and the reflex is beautiful. And then color number 2, it's a beautiful platinum glitter red. It is your beautiful classic red, but yet with some fine platinum sparkly glitters in there. Perfect for the holiday season. And I really like how that color shifts in the light as well. And then the third color here, it's beautiful. It is such a fun classic green, and it carries over with the same formula with that red. It also has those beautiful platinum glitters. Now here are all the different trios. There's 9 different pudding gel trios. And then for today's mani, we're going to be using the gel base and the gel top coat, and we're going to be using this cute little adorable brush that you will receive if you order the Advent Calendar, which the Advent Calendar is amazing. If you haven't seen it yet in action, I will link it in the cards for you at the end of this video. And then we're going to be using these awesome nails from Sundara as well. I am really liking the medium stiletto nails. I think they're super fun, especially for the holiday season. And there's just something about the pudding gels with these long nails and how the holographic glitter is that really melts my heart. So the first step when you're working with pudding gels, either if you're doing them on a press-on set or your natural nails or over your builder gel, whatever it may be, you always want to go ahead and put a layer of that gel base. That's going to ensure that you're getting a really smooth application, and it's not going to be streaky or patchy, and you're going to get a nice even coverage when you apply your gel base to each nail. So while we're doing that, I just wanted to touch base a little bit. The Advent Calendar is still available, so if you haven't picked up the Advent Calendar yet, it is a pudding gel Advent Calendar this year. So that's very exciting. The colors are amazing. I did a mani last week, Wednesday, using the first 3 colors only. So they're so pretty, and the colors in that Advent Calendar are perfect for all year long. Don't let the first 3 colors fool you. It's a beautiful, beautiful Advent Calendar, and you can do so much with pudding gels. You can do full coverage manis, you can do nail art with it. It's super fun, and you have a chance to win a golden ticket as well. So I will link everything regarding that in the description box below. Okay, so we are diving into that first color here. It is that beautiful classic Christmas silver with a twist. It has that beautiful holographic chunky glitters. So how pretty is the first application of this pudding gel? So I am putting a little bit of the product on the brush, and I'm gently brushing it over the nail for a nice even coverage, and that holographic sparkle is beautiful. So when you're applying the pudding gels, you just want to make sure that you're applying thin, even layers and a little bit of product at a time, and you can always go back into the jar to apply more product to that brush. And then once you're good with that coverage, you're good to go. Cure that, and then you can go on and make it buildable. You could do one color for like a snowy holographic effect that you see right here, or you could go ahead and do 2 layers or 3, totally up to you. To clean the brush, I just go ahead with a paper towel, and I gently wipe it on that paper towel, and then all that pigment does come off, and we can continue doing this fun mani. Now that we're diving into this beautiful red, we're going to follow the same application that we did with that silver color, and check out how pigmented and creamy this color is. So pudding gels are amazing. They're super creamy, they're buttery, and the formula is amazing. If you haven't tried pudding gels, you definitely need to, and I would recommend, if you are going to spend money on a pudding gel, using Sundara pudding gels, because I have tried pudding gels in the past and the quality is not there. The pigment is streaky, it comes out patchy, there's lines everywhere in it. It was not a good experience. So I always was very intimidated to play with pudding gels, but now I'm obsessed with pudding gels, and they're super awesome. It's definitely very buildable, so you could do one layer like you see here for more of like a jelly type of manicure look, or you could build up that pigment and for a full mani. Wait till you see how this mani turned out. It is so pretty for Christmas. I am so excited about it and I love it so much. I'm so glad that I made press-ons for this mani because this is like the perfect Christmas holiday mani. All right, so enough chit chat. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this mani process and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, check out this classic Christmas mani. The colors are perfect and I really like that subtle platinum shimmer mixed in with that holographic glitter. I will go ahead and link everything we used in the description box below. Stay tuned for more Christmas manis coming up on the 25 Days series, and I will see you in tomorrow's upload.